In this video, I will show you how to create Google Ads account. First, log in your Gmail account. Then go to Google Ads website. Then click on Start Now. Now click on Skip Campaign Creation. Then select Billing Country. Select Time Zone and select Currency and select No and click on Submit. Now click on Explore your account. Now click on Billing option. Now enter your payment details. Select Billing Country. Then scroll down and select Payment Method. Click on this option and select Add debit card or credit card. Now enter your card details. Now click on Save Card. Now enter amount. Now click on Continue. Now click on Submit. Now click on Verify. The amount will be deposited on your Google Ads account. Now your account is ready. If you have any question or need any help, please contact with us. Thanks for watching.